Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to add payment method on Team Hortons. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and once you open up your web browser, here on the address bar simply type in teamhortons.com, and once you hit enter you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now the next thing that you need to do is log into your account or sign up if you haven't, and once you have signed in, here you'll be seeing this kind of home page. Now in order to add a payment method, what you need to do is simply click on this profile icon, and once you click on it you'll be provided with these options. Among them you'll be seeing an option that says payment methods, right? Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here you'll be provided with two options, that is add new payment method and add Teams gift card. Now simply click on add new payment method, and once you click on it, here all you gotta do is just simply enter in your name on the card, and then enter in your credit card number and then your expiration date, 3-digit security code that is present between the back of your credit card, and your zip code as well. And once you have done all this, lastly what you need to do is save and continue, and once you do that, your payment method will be added to your account, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.